just parked and it is snowing. We're at the Donner Summit and we're gonna find the trailhead, but it's just crazy because yesterday was the first day of summer and today it's snowing. Entering the train tunnel. This is crazy. Just came out of there. It kind of has stopped snowing and raining, and you can start to see a little bit of the lake over there. That's where we drove up. This is snow. Alright, we're about a mile into the hike and it's so cool. This is definitely one of the most unique hikes I've ever done. Now there's a biker. Kind of freaky. It's like we're going into the light. Alright, we're stopping for some lunch. We just hiked about a mile and a half and now the view is gorgeous. It's actually getting sunny too. There's still snow, but it's definitely clearing up, which is so nice. Just finished the hike. It was so beautiful. I'm so glad we did it, and it ended being sunny, which is crazy. It was snowing here just an hour or so before.